There you go.
DVMX is in. So excited.
First
Couldn't
unboxing.
believe it. It's here like 3 days early.
Instagram, Sneaker Chica.
Like
Oh, look
right
at
now.
that box. There's the receipt. Legit. See, there's the tag on the side. Let's see the tag.
Bigfoot.
DB. Oh, there she is. It's a good day.
Aww.
Oh, they look nice in person.
My first Air Max ever.
First Air Max and first DB.
Those are cool.
Smile. That's how happy.
Yeah, these are L.
Do it.
Fight like a girl. Just breathe. So banging.
Where's the dog tongues?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. One dog. Oops. Two dogs.
Nice.
Eddie. Those are fresh.
Here's a close-up look. I just found this. Nice flowers in the bottom.
Inside there's like a violin thing too.
Oh yeah, a little.
Inside the sole.
Either a cello or a violin. Or both of them.
These are serious.
Very nice.
These are serious.
I wish I would have won a pair of DVs off Nike.com too. We tried for hours. Hour and a half online. And this is what we ended up with instead of the 8. Oh well, infinity symbol. That's how long it'll last. Infinity.
Oh, the back's cool too.
Oh snap.